I'm Chantel Finley with Amphenol Custom Cable, where we specialize in providing high-quality RF cables tailored for precision and reliability. Proudly partnering with Digi-Key, we ensure our advanced connectivity solutions are easily accessible to you when you need them. This is our copper room in Tampa, Florida, where we craft RF cables with precision. Approaching our 5-year partnership with Digi-Key, we offer over 50,000 part numbers and handle each step from cutting to assembly. Every cable is rigorously tested for quality with continuity and high-pot testing, ensuring reliability and high voltage resistance. Here's 3 ways that you can find us on Digi-Key. Visit our website at buy.customcable.com. Navigate to our distributors on the right and click Visit Our Page to be taken directly to our manufacturer's page on digikey.com. Here, you can explore our wide range of product categories, learn about our innovative punch-out tool, and discover our associated brands. Alternatively, use any search engine and type in Amphenol Custom Cable at Digi-Key. Click the link in your search results to access our Digi-Key page. And for direct access, go to digikey.com. Type Amphenol Custom Cable in the search bar to find our products, or navigate to the Manufacturers tab and search for Amphenol Custom Cable. For more information on how to order our products through Digi-Key, you can visit our website at www.customcable.com or contact us directly. We're here to connect you to the future of technology.